The failed to get a plan error in the Tesla app occurs when the app cannot retrieve or verify your subscription details for premium services. This prevents access to features like enhanced autopilot, full self-driving, or premium connectivity. The error typically stems from connectivity problems, account authentication issues, or glitches in your subscription setup. Importantly, this is a software or connectivity-related issue, not a hardware problem with your vehicle. First, force close the Tesla app and reopen it. This refreshes the app's connection to Tesla's servers and can resolve temporary glitches. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular signal. The error often occurs when the app can't reach Tesla's servers due to poor connectivity. Try toggling between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Switching networks can sometimes bypass temporary connectivity issues with one type of connection. Log out of the Tesla app and then log back in. This refreshes your authentication tokens and can resolve account-related errors. Make sure your vehicle is properly linked to your account. The error can occur if the app loses connection to your specific Tesla vehicle. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the failed to get a plan error, try these advanced fixes. Start by clearing the app's cache on Android devices. For iOS devices, you may need to offload or reinstall the Tesla app. This can clear corrupted data causing the issue. Finally, ensure your Tesla app is updated to the latest version. Tesla frequently releases updates that fix known issues like this error. To verify your Tesla account is in good standing, start by logging into your Tesla account on the Tesla website. This ensures your account details are current and accessible. On the sign-in page, enter your email address and password. Make sure your credentials are correct to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to your subscriptions section. Here you can see all active plans like premium connectivity or full self-driving. Check that your subscriptions are active and haven't expired. Look for the due amount and ensure payment details are up to date. In your account settings, confirm your payment information is current. Update any expired cards or billing details to prevent subscription interruptions. Expired tokens in the app can cause the error. To fix this, log out of the Tesla app and log back in to refresh your authentication tokens. In the app settings, find the logout option. After logging out, sign back in with your credentials to get fresh tokens. If none of the troubleshooting steps have resolved the error, it's time to contact Tesla support directly. They have the tools to perform account resets and investigate server-side issues that individual users cannot fix. Tesla support can handle complex cases like authentication problems or subscription verification failures. Their team works to resolve issues that stem from Tesla's servers or account systems. When contacting support, make sure to have your Tesla account information ready. This includes your login credentials and any subscription details. Also, prepare your vehicle VIN, which is a unique identifier for your Tesla. The VIN contains important details about your vehicle that support will need to verify your account and troubleshoot effectively. Tesla's support channels now prioritize the failed to get a plan error using automated diagnostics to quickly identify and resolve common issues. Most cases are addressed within 24 hours through their efficient support system. Real-world examples show users successfully resolving the failed to get a plan error through practical solutions. In rural California, a user experienced the error after a power outage disrupted their home Wi-Fi connection. Switching to mobile data and manually refreshing the Tesla app resynced their full self-driving plan, demonstrating how connectivity changes can restore access. Another example involved over 50 users in Europe facing bulk errors due to regional server lags in August 2025. Tesla addressed this with a targeted firmware patch that resolved 90% of the cases within a week. This highlights how server-side issues can affect multiple users simultaneously and how Tesla's responsive patches can quickly restore service. During September 2025 subscription tier expansions, Elon Musk described the error as a temporary hiccup. Fleet owners and individual users experienced 48-hour outages before Tesla implemented fixes. This case study illustrates the impact on business users and how Tesla's public acknowledgement led to prioritized resolution of subscription-related errors. These examples demonstrate that while the error can be disruptive, Practical solutions like connectivity changes and Tesla's patches often provide effective resolutions. Looking ahead, Tesla is developing AI-driven diagnostics for future app versions. These intelligent systems will automatically detect and fix connectivity issues like the failed to get a plan error, reducing the need for manual troubleshooting. Broader trends include tighter integration with 5G networks, providing faster and more stable connections for the app, especially in areas with varying cellular coverage. Blockchain technology is being explored for subscription verification, offering secure and tamper-proof authentication that could eliminate many authentication-related errors. Experts predict a significant reduction in these types of issues as Tesla continues to optimize its back-end infrastructure and cloud services. These advancements signal a future where Tesla app connectivity issues become increasingly rare, enhancing the overall user experience.